Hey, if you are wondering what charging cable for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, so you should actually prepare the USB-C to USB-C cable. For best results, you should use the USB-C cable that supports PD. So this is the power delivery, and this lets you take a full advantage of faster charging for a high wattage USB-C charger. And as you can see, in my case, I just purchased the cable with a screen, and it allows me to check the current charging speed. I'm not sure if you know this, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max support 40 watts fast charging. So that's basically everything. And of course, you can use the original cables from Apple, or for example, from your old Apple devices, but also you can use the Android cables from Samsung, Motorola, or any other. This one actually is not made, it's not made by any Android brand. I just purchased this one on Amazon for like 10 bucks. What I remember, yeah, that was around 10 USD dollars. Pretty cheap, but good quality and showing me the charging speed. So if you are looking for the same cable, you have to input the phrase in the Amazon like charging cable with screen, something like that, and you will actually get this kind of the cable. The brand doesn't actually matter because there's like, multiple brands that they made these cables into China, and there's one big factory that made this cables, and then they just putting some brand's name on it, but it just comes from the same factory in the most cases. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find it useful.